I am Dr. M.D. Rahakar from Pune. I am a very senior radiologist and I have been attending IRA conferences right from 1971 for nearly last 40 years. And I find this is one of the best and well organized conferences. I have been impressed by the academic program and these particular poster sessions.
I am Dr. Sandeep Divekar from Pune. This is one of the best conference I have attended. All the faculties, especially international faculty, are good, and especially Meet the Professor program is good because it is an interactive session, as well as other organization is also very nice.
This is Dr. Sudhir, currently doing fellowship in neuroradiology at KIMS Hyderabad. As you all know that today is the day for social sites, and to include education in the social site, social network sites is a real big task, and as we all know, one of the best person in the country as of now for all these things, Dr. Ram Mohan sir, he has introduced COBRA and clinical out of box radiology, as he always has been out of the box in his thoughts and also in his methods of teaching. And the way he has started COBRA, initially started off with few students who are very well known to him. Now it's grown vastly and from all over the rest of the countries. Now it's become a cosmopolitan sort of networking avenue for all the students of radiology to interact, to discuss about various cases, and it's been an excellent platform for all the students, no matter what, starting from first year resident to the highest level of expertise in that field, and to discuss imaging in particular real clinical perspectives and along with follow-ups has been really good.
I'm Dr. Yogeshwari Vijayanath Neela, working in Vijaya Diagnostic Center at Himayatnagar for last 2 years, and COBRA is one of the forum on Facebook, and I want you to join that. And this about this conference is nice, especially that workshop we attended.
Hello everybody, this is Dr. Prajakta. I'm a radiologist working in Vijaya Diagnostics. I'm a member of COBRA, and it is a growing forum. It's growing day by day, and Dr. Mukarrab, who has started this initiative, I think is doing a good job. Thank you for giving this opportunity to just elaborate about COBRA. Thank you. IRA has been a very good organizer of this meet in Hyderabad, and I'm really enjoying it. Thank you.